One of the really ancient skills of a community which brings people together is that of bell ringing. An old enough skill indeed, but here in Llansteffan, in this high ancient tower built in the 11th century, as old in fact as Llansteffan Castle, we ring together every Sunday with a great feeling at several levels. First, of course, obviously, for its real reason, to call people to worship, to tell them that the church is waiting. And we are proud that throughout the Diocese of St. David's, bell ringers often use what has come to be known as the Llansteffan bell ringer's prayer, which contains some lovely simple lines. One that stands out is, "Sending our sound over sea and land, calling to witness, to worship, and to praise." And across the waters in Ferryside, they tell us that they love to hear the sound of the ancient Llansteffan bells, especially across high water when it bounces off the tide.